everyone, welcome back to GELLA STYLESph. My name is Gella, and for today's video, we're going to do unboxing with my favorite online shop in Instagram. So if you're ready, just keep on watching. So I'll just explain why she is my favorite. So I'll show you her profile over here. See, since I'm a vintage lover and I really like throwback clothing, so I always order with her and I really love the quality. And sometimes even though it's not a brand new clothes, it's still okay, it still looks good. So we'll see the one that I have received from her just today. Alright, even though it's ECQ, oh my god, it's so quick that I have received this one already. So, let's start!
Welcome to GELLA STYLESph. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. My vlogs are about travel, beauty, and flight attendant topics. So if you're ready, we'll start!
And this video is not for advertisement, alright? Just because I really like this shop. That's why I'm doing this video, so I can share my experience with her. And she's a very nice seller as well. So yeah, look at her packaging. It's super nice, right? It's very vintage, and this is her Instagram account, Button Fold. And I think they started 2019, that's why it says 2019 there. Alright, and I have my details here as well for delivery. That's really good. Nice packaging, right? Okay, so let's start unboxing this. You know, it's so nice. Like really so nice. I really like the concept. And very eco-friendly. We didn't use plastic. Right. So I ordered 2. Oh, what was that? Something fell down. Wait. Here. Right. Look, it's so cute. It's so cute. Oh my god, because it's really my first time to receive it like this, because I'm always in Qatar, so usually my mother is always the one receiving it and she don't really tell me this thoughts that I received. So let's open it. It's really cute. I really appreciate the effort though. Road to Abu Dhabi. Yeah. I don't know which book is this. I don't want to tear it. I don't want to tear it. I don't want to tear it. I don't really even want to open it. So cute. The envelope is so cute. Like, really, really cute, right? So here it is. Let's read the rest. Hi, beautiful. You've been expecting this. Thank you so much for choosing us as a way of promoting sustainability. May you love this as much as I love preparing it for Love Button Fold page. Oh my god, it's really cute. Thank you so much, Button Fold, and I'm also happy to help and during this time, right? And yeah, because I think they're trying to help frontliners right now. Well, actually, I really like this blazer as well. Well, it's not that as new as it is, but it's still okay, good condition. And the trouser, I really like it. It really looks like new, you know, really looks new. And yeah. So I will try this on and I will show you how it fits and how it looks like.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me.
Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I hope that you liked it and you like my style. So if you like it, maybe you can follow Button Fold as well and help the frontliners that we have right now. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again at my next video. Bye!